Under the relentless sun, a crow struggles across the desolate forest, its shadow a fleeting companion on the cracked earth. The ground lies barren, scattered with withered leaves, a testament to the unforgiving heat. Squawk! The crow's ruffled feathers and frantic eyes search for respite in a landscape devoid of mercy. In the vast expanse, a lone crow spots a humble hut, a beacon of hope against the desolate landscape. The crow lands near a clay pot, its gaze fixed on the small pool of water at the bottom. A spark of determination lights up the crow's eyes as it assesses the challenge, a silent vow to conquer thirst. A crow pecks at stones near the clay pot, its sharp eyes focused on the task. Stone by stone, the crow drops them into the pot, each plink raising the water level. Victorious, the crow drinks deeply, then soars over the desolate forest, a symbol of wit.